Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get voice chat in Roblox. Some of you might comment saying that this did not work, but that's probably because you skipped a step or missed something. So that's why you need to watch this full video without skipping, because if you skip parts of this video, you might miss some important steps. So just sit back and watch the whole video, because I'll walk you through step by step, and by the end of this video, you will have Roblox voice chat. So if you guys want to know how to get Roblox voice chat, pay attention. So pay attention to what I'm going to show you, because I'm going to show you two methods on how to get Roblox voice chat. And if the first method doesn't work for you, then you guys can try the second method. So what you want to do is head over to the Roblox homepage, which is where I am right now. Now what you want to do from here is click on settings icon on the top right corner, and then click on settings, and then from here what you need to do is make sure you have an email address that's verified and have a phone number that's verified. So as you can see, I already have an email address that's verified right here, but I don't actually have a phone number. And if your Roblox settings like this, then what you want to do is you have to add a phone number and then type a phone number in this text box right here, and then it's going to text you a code. Then what you want to do is enter in the code, and then your phone number will be verified. So then it should say email address verified, and then this verified thing right here should also show up here. Now once you guys have verified your phone number, what you want to do is head over to privacy and content restriction, and then once you are here, what you want to do is click on communication, and then as you can see right here, I do not have a Roblox voice chat option, but by the end of this video, I actually will have a voice chat option. Now what you want to do from here is your screen should probably look like this as well, because you are watching your video on how to get a Roblox voice chat, and I don't have a Roblox voice yet, which is why it might look like this right here. So what you want to do is click on experience chat on the top one right here. So experience chat, what you want to do is click on everyone, and then it should say save successfully. And for direct chat, what you want to do is click on everyone as well. And keep in mind, if you are on mobile, this will work for you as well. All you guys have to do is head over to the roblox.com website instead of doing it inside of the app. Now once the experience chat settings are at everyone for both settings, what you want to do is go back and then click on party. Now on party, what you want to do is head over to where it says party right here, where it says no one or friends. What you want to do is click on friends again, and then where it says group party, what you want to do is click on friends again. Now if your settings already are at friends, then just leave it how it is. But if it's at no one, then what you want to do is click on friends for both of this. Now what you want to do after both of this are at friends is go to back and then go to camera input, and then what you want to do is turn this on right here, and then it should save successfully. Now once you guys have changed all three of these settings and you have a phone number verified on your account, then all you have to do is wait 1 to 2 weeks. But if you guys don't want to wait 1 to 2 weeks, then I have a second method to show you as well. So I'm going to be showing you the second method right now, and then with the second method you guys will get voice chat in just a couple of hours, because with the second method Roblox does it manually, and with the first method they only choose a certain amount of people to give voice chat to if they have their phone number and their email verified, and they have all of these settings. So I'm going to be showing you the second method right now. So for the second method, what you want to do is head over to the Roblox homepage right here, then scroll all the way down to the very bottom of the page. So I'm just scrolling down right now, and basically the second method is you have to get Roblox to manually unlock the voice chat option for you, which is why it's much faster method than the first method. So what you want to do is click on about us right here, and once you are on about us, once you click on resources, there should be an option that says help center. What you want to do is click on help center, and then where it says search our articles, what you want to do is search up voice chat. There should be an article right there that says how do I turn on voice chat. What you want to do is click on this article right here. Now once you're on the article, it should say how do I turn on Roblox voice chat, and then it's going to show you all of this. But what you want to do is go over to where it says was the article helpful. What you want to do is click on no. Then what you want to do after you click on no is click on need more help contact support here. Now once you guys click on contact support here, it's going to bring you over to this page right here, and then it's going to have your username, your first name, your email address, and then you have to confirm your email address just to make sure you don't mistype your email. So where it says username, it should already have your Roblox username on there. So for the first name, what you want to do is type in your first name. So for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to be typing this. And then for the email address, what you want to do is type in the email address that's associated with your Roblox account. So whatever email that you use to verify your Roblox account, what you want to do is type in that email address. But for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to type in a fake email address and issue details. What devices are you having the problem on? So it's going to say device type. So what you want to do is select whatever device type that you are on. But I'm on PC right now, so I'm going to select PC. But all the options are PC, Mac, Chromebook, iPhone, iPad, Android phone, Android tablet, Amazon device, Xbox, PlayStation, or MetaQuest. I didn't even know Roblox was on MetaQuest, but I'm on PC right now. So I'm going to click on PC and then type of help category. So there's going to be all these options right here. Now where it says age-based settings and option with parental privilege, you don't actually want to click that. What you want to do is scroll down until it says technical support. What you want to do is click on technical support. And if you are wondering why, it's because the technical support people actually respond to you faster, and then the people who review the age-based settings, they just tell you to verify your phone number, but they don't actually unlock voice chat for you, unlike the technical support people. So basically what you want to do here is you want to write a message to Roblox asking for them to unlock Roblox chat on your Roblox account. So what you want to do is for help subcategory, type select specific experience issue, and then please describe your issue. You don't have to copy me word for word, but I'm going to type in this message right now. So I'm going to say to them, like, hi Roblox, I have submitted my ID 2 weeks ago, and this isn't true, by the way, guys. I'm just making this up. But they don't actually check it. The technical support people, they're a bit lazy, so they don't actually check if you submitted your ID or not. So I'm just making this up. You guys can just copy me, just copy whatever I say right here. So I'm going to say, hello Roblox, I have submitted my ID 2 weeks ago, but I don't have the Roblox voice chat option. Yet I already verified my Roblox account with a phone number and an email a month ago. But I really want to get Roblox voice chat so I can play with my friends more efficiently. So what you want to do is just make up an excuse on why you want to get Roblox voice chat. So I said so I can play with my friends more efficiently, which isn't the best excuse. So if you guys have a better excuse, just type that out. And then what you want to do is say my Roblox username is this one, and then type in your username and the email I use for this Roblox account, and then just whatever email that you put above. So whatever email you put right here. So hello Roblox, I have submitted my ID 2 weeks ago, but I don't have the Roblox voice chat option. Yet I already verified my Roblox account with a phone number and an email a month ago, and I really want to get Roblox voice chat so I can play with my friends more efficiently. My Roblox name is this one, and my email is this one. So after this, what you want to do is just click on continue, and then they're going to send you an email to whatever email that you put earlier when submitting the ticket. And then once you receive that email, it should say that Roblox voice chat has been unlocked on your account. So I'm going to be back in like around 2 to 3 hours. So it's literally been only 1 hour so far, and I already have this email from Roblox saying that I got Roblox voice. And when I logged on to Roblox, I got this pop-up right here where it says enable. And then as you can see, I have Roblox voice chat turned on. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.